Promo! Own a condo unit in a prime location for as low as 15,000 pesos per month. Should you or should you not avail of this promo? Maganda ba talaga yan? Find out the surprising truth behind pre-selling promo terms. I'm Edric Maguan, and this is The Real Deal! These days, most developers are offering very friendly promo terms, from the usual of at least 30% down payment to as low as 15% over the pre-selling term of 4 to 5 years. Something that goes like, own a one-bedroom unit worth 5 million pesos in the heart of Metro Manila by one of the country's top developers for only 15,000 pesos a month. Sounds very good, right? But here's the catch. Assuming you'll use a 15-year home loan at 6% interest rate for the remaining balance, your monthly loan amortization upon turnover would be around 35,000 per month, more than double your monthly down payment. And you may be thinking, sus, mababa nga yung monthly down payment, pero ang taas naman pala ng monthly amortization. If you pay a lower down payment, definitely your loanable amount will be a lot higher, and consequently, your monthly loan amortization. So does this mean you should not avail of the promo term? You should not avail of the promo term if you don't have the capacity now, or at least have a plan on how to cover the loan amortization later on. Let me emphasize that the promo term is not a license to buy a property that you really can't afford long term. And you should not avail of the promo term if this is the only investment you are going to make in your life, as in you're sure of that. Then just save on the loan interest. But since you're in my channel, I'm assuming that you are here to make your money work harder for you and accelerate the growth of your wealth. Then I would say yes, you should avail of the promo term. I myself always take advantage of the promo terms, and here's why. The promo term really gives you two huge benefits. And you know what else gives you huge benefits? When you hit that subscribe button to learn more about real estate investing. The first benefit of the promo term is you get a higher return on investment, or ROI. Whether you pay 15% or 30% of the price over the pre-selling term, you will earn the same capital appreciation. The only difference is, with the promo term, you paid less money for the same gain. Second, promo terms also give you flexibility by allowing you to start investing earlier, or to invest in bigger and better properties, or to free up more additional cash now, which you can use to invest in more properties, so you can grow your wealth quickly and exponentially. Whether you avail of the lightest payment term or the regular term, the most important thing is that you can and you will be able to pay the properties over the long term. Remember that you have 4 to 5 years to plan for it and make it happen. The key here is to manage your cash flow long term in order to take advantage of the amazing benefits of the promo terms. If you need help in getting the right property investment and payment term for you, send me a message on my Facebook or Instagram via the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.